Hi there, my friends. This is Lizzie, and I just want to say hi to all my YouTube friends, all the glam fam, everybody who is in my journey. I just wanted to bring well, it's not going to be a quick video. I wanted to bring a video again, curating my eyeshadow wardrobe. I did add another addition to my eyeshadow wardrobe, which I feel is one of the palettes that I feel that are very festive, and you could actually wear it in the fall. You could wear it in the winter time, and I even think you could even wear it in the summertime too, in the spring. So it is the gingerbread extra spicy palette. I did miss out in getting this palette last year because I wasn't too sure of if I wanted it or not, and I wasn't too sure which direction I wanted my makeup wardrobe to be like. But I am very, very happy that I did get this palette. As you know, this is already like old news actually, because you guys have seen this palette a million times. But as you know, I am starting to purchase eyeshadows for my own makeup, for my own eyeshadow wardrobe, as I was saying before. I can't even talk. I've had a long day, just came from a banquet. Whew, yeah. But I thought I may bring this video to show you this wonderful palette. I do kind of love this. This is so cute. I mean, and it smells nice too. And I have it on my eyes right now. So I really think that this is something that everybody should have in there if you're starting out your makeup. I know it's pretty pricey, but and I'm pretty sure they're gonna have sales too. But I feel that this palette blends like a dream. The formula is good, and if you're ever gonna buy Too Faced eyeshadows, make sure they have tin packaging, because I do look at my eyeshadows and I do look at where they are made. And not that I'm trying to say that things made in China are bad, but there is a batch of Too Faced eyeshadows and products that do not perform as well as made in the USA. And I've made the correlation that the tin packaging is usually a good sign that your palette is made in the United States. The quality in the other ones that they kind of make out there in China are not as good. They don't blend as well. And I don't want to take credit for the fact that I know this information. Of course, I watch other reputable YouTubers, and I did learn this. I don't know her channel's name. I'm so sorry. But actually, she's a very interesting YouTuber. And I would never know. So this palette was made in the USA, but it was assembled in the Dominican Republic. So that's an FYI in case you guys want to get a Too Faced palette. Make sure it's tin, because tin usually is a good indicator that it is made in the USA. There are other ones that have cardboard, and like the packaging ain't that wonderful, and then you kind of know that it's kind of made out there in China. So just an FYI, a lot of Christmas gifts and Christmas collections, Too Faced throws them out, Tarte throws them out. They're usually push them out, but they're made cheaply. They're made like I said before, in China, and that's, I guess this is where they make their money. But yeah, we should be, as consumers, smart shoppers and know what we're getting. So actually, I love all these colors. This is the extra spicy one, and the colors are more intense. I did compare it to my Urban Decay, what is it? Urban Decay, my Heat palette. God, I can't talk. Naked Heat. My Naked Heat palette, it does not look like anything like that, because this has shimmers in it. The Naked Heat is more mattes, and it's just a different assembly of colors. So yeah, so I'm very happy. This is another one added into my wardrobe, and I will be using this. you know, Thanksgiving is around the corner. Can't wait to do different looks with it. And yeah, so like I said before previously in my channel, I don't want to bombard myself with tons and tons of eyeshadows where they're just going to collect dust and they're not going to have any use for. I don't want that. I want to have palettes that are good quality and that I could go to, and I know that once I put it on my eye, I'm not going to have trouble blending or whatever. These blend like a dream. And basically, you could either do, you can amp up the look, or you can like what do you call it, like make it like everyday neutral looking, you know, for work and stuff like that. So there's a lot of versatility in the Too Faced palette. So this is a quick video, another piece to my wardrobe of eyeshadows, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. I know it's kind of old news, but however, I'm very wise with what I buy, and I know that I don't want to have 100 palettes. I mean, like, I have basically, it's not even close to 20. I don't even have 20 palettes. But the little bit that I do have, I do like. So anyway, that's all. It's a quick video. I hope you guys are doing well. Here in the Northeast, we were slammed with snow. And it's pretty cold. Tomorrow's going to be 28 degrees. No complaints, because I do like the winter. I just don't like the ice on the ground. But that's okay. You know, I'd rather have this than a heat wave. Anyway, thank you for watching, and come back again. And if you have any comments on how you pick out your eyeshadows, please leave a comment below. I like to know how you curate your collection or wardrobe of eyeshadows, and what is the indicator of when you should get an eyeshadow or when should you pass. Anyway, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Hopefully I can say bye the right way. I always say that.
Stop.
Oh boy.
Stop.